Hello, so in this video we're going to show you how to use the Acronym Ninja Slack bot. So all you need to do is add it to Slack. Okay, we've got the basic permissions, click allow, and then open up Slack. Now what you've got is instantly, what it will do is when you use a shortcut command, so for instance /acronym, you can click in VOD, and this will go off and it will search the acronym database for any acronyms with VOD. So it goes off and searches the full database. And then if you click the link, it then gives you information about the acronym, and it also gives you all relevant industry acronyms on the right hand side here. So to give you an overview of like what the acronyms do. Now what we wanted to do as well was to make this available for companies, so if they wanted just acronyms specific for their company. So what you can do with that is if I just sign up, if you just use a Google account, I'll use the actual Acronym Ninja. What happens is once you're signed in, you can go ahead, you can view your acronyms, and what we'll do is we'll actually create a new acronym. And let's just create the acronym for Slack. Okay, and then what you can do is you can put the acronym name in, okay, and the name in here. It will also give you some suggested Google videos that you can add. Now what you're going to want to do is you can add a department, so this can just be Slack, and we'll keep this public, or actually you can keep it private if you want it to be a private just for your company. Okay, so no one else can see the acronym without tokens. Just leave it public for now. And then here you can go ahead, and this is where you can add specific documentation for your company acronyms. So this could be extra docs here. You can also add any links, so I'll just add a couple of links. So just add a link into Slack here, and just for good measure, let's just add a video on how Slack works. Okay, just so you can give whoever's clicking on the acronym as much information as possible, so you can obviously preview and then write. So we've created our acronym there. Okay, so we've got Slack, and it says what it wants. Okay, so what we can do now is we can create a token. So let's just create a token for our Slack department. And what we can do now is if we go ahead and copy our token, if we go back to Slack, then now if we go to acronym :token and add our token, you can see that our token's been successfully added. So now if we search for just VOD again, it won't give us anything because it's only searching for acronyms specific to our industry now. Okay, so if we search for the acronym Slack, okay, then you can see it will give us the acronym Slack. Okay, and then the user can click it and they can find out what the acronym means. They can get some extra docs, links to videos, and then also any other industry acronyms relevant to Slack. So this is a great way obviously to get new joiners, staff, people who've been here for a while, you know, to get all your acronyms in one place, so people can just go ahead and just search them without having to feel stupid, you know, that they don't know what the acronym means. It's always hard to ask if you're in the middle of like a Teams meeting. You know, you don't want to stop it and say, what does that mean? So you can just go ahead, search Slack and do it like that. Or obviously you can go ahead and just search the main website. But if you've set your department to private, it's public at the moment, then only your company and people with access to the token will be able to see your documentation. Okay, so yeah, that's how it works.